Ophis District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District Jowai Hakasngi balang kala Pynlong ya ka District Level Youth Exchange Program 2023 halor kamat Building a Better World partnering with youth hapo kyang nang ba College Auditorium ha Jowai Hakani ka program ka ba ars ni kanthi lasakhi ya ki jinga ko ba pher ka ba kanthop ya ka jinga ko terkunya ka jingkentep ya ko draw bat airong ka jingtem koitor bat jingput ktien rawai ka shat na lor ka jingalang pensyai pajba na ka Office Skill Development bat DSO Lasdang ya ka program da ka jing pediang sngau bha na ka benta ki hinyau tali ki high school bat sau tali ki college na po ka district kawai ka school bat college ki lapha mar arphongot ki khna bani simbenta ha ki jinga ko ba pher haba ai jingkran uba krobok pasa district sports officer ka West Jaintia Hills district ulapan pau ba kani ka program ka dei ka benta jong ka jingali sports bat ki wei pat ki kam ki baya dei bat ki samla kata ka bathmu ban penslur ya ki samla ha ki benta ba pher jong ki jinga kop nalor kata ulapan benaru ba ki nong job na ka district level kin yo ya kalat banlet ya aireng ha ka state level ka banlong ha ka khanrio tarik menta ubanai uba pasa ulapan seluruh ya baro ki nong isim benta bakin ai ya ka babahatam namar ki bawan syakmat kin syajit banlet isim benta ya ka jela badru wat ha ka national level kumju
Sports and Youth Affairs is very keen in taking up youths in different level. Just recently, I think you have heard that we just concluded the second Sora Marathon, which is a very grand success. There are participants from different part of the world who have been competing in that Sora Marathon. So that is part of sports. And with regards to youth affairs, I just want to inform you that the winners who will be winning from this youth district level youth exchange program will be taking part in the state level that will be held with effect from 16th of this month only. So I request each and everyone who will be competing to kindly do your best, and the best one will be chosen to take part in the district level, in the state level. Not only that, the participant who will be going for the state level will also be chosen to go for the National Youth Exchange Program. Why we call it a Youth Exchange Program? That means it's not only participating, it's also an exchanging of your activities with different schools from West Jaintia Hills. And not only that, also making friends. Integrity is also there. Making friends. You came to know from schools from villages, schools from urban areas, from rural areas. They came to know together, being friends. That is the main aim of this program.
Si bentah jong kani ka program lapan longru ya ka jingamer jingmut balalam khamat da ka phinda rilin lindam hakasngi ka baning kong jong ka program lala ban penlong ya ki jinga ko ba pher kenthop ya ka jingkentep jingdro airong tem koitor jingput ktien jinga tainya jinga ko pen isap nalor ka jingpen syai pajba na kalyang ka Office ka skill development